In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of discovering, installing, and managing plugins. Jenkins plugins enhance the functionality of your Jenkins server by providing additional features and integrations. Start by accessing the Jenkins dashboard. Open your web browser and enter the URL where Jenkins is installed, e.g., http://localhost 8080. In the Jenkins dashboard, click on Manage Jenkins in the left sidebar. Within the Manage Jenkins menu, select Manage Plugins. Navigate to the Available tab in the Plugin Manager. Here, you'll find a list of all available plugins that can be installed. Use the search bar to find plugins based on keywords or functionalities. For example, you might search for Git, Slack, or Maven to find plugins related to these tools. Browse through the list and select the plugins you want to install. You can choose multiple plugins at once. Before installing, let's see the type of projects in the list. We don't see Maven project in the list. Click on the Install button to begin the installation process. Jenkins will download and install the selected plugins. We will skip Restart since we can start using plugin right away without restart. We can see Maven project in the list now, since Maven integration plugin is installed. After installation, go to the Installed tab to view the list of installed plugins. Here, you can see the version and status of each plugin. If you no longer need a plugin, go to the Installed tab, select the plugin, and click on Uninstall. Confirm the action to remove the plugin. If you see uninstallation pending stuck for a long time, then we need to restart Jenkins service. Similarly, let's uninstall Maven integration plugin. If you see uninstallation pending stuck for a long time, then we need to restart Jenkins service. To restart, simply run brew services restart Jenkins LTS command. Log in again. We see Maven integration plugin in available list and not in install list, which means it is uninstalled. Same for Slack notification plugin. We don't see Maven project as type of project in the list since Maven integration plugin is uninstalled. Congratulations! You've successfully explored Jenkins plugins. Experiment with different plugins to customize Jenkins according to your project's requirements.